after being shot because of her strong principle that made her win the 2014 Nobel Prize, said in her famous speech, "One pen, one book, one teacher can change the world." Aside from being a strong advocate of education for all, she has been very active in supporting the operations of the United Nations in giving humanitarian assistance to her countrymen in her war-torn country, Afghanistan. Ladies and gentlemen, before our very eyes, we have witnessed the UN in action in giving humanitarian assistance to the victim of Yolanda in Tacloban. The UN servicemen came to provide shelter, distribute foods and medicines, and give great efforts in order to rehabilitate our unfortunate brothers and sisters in Leyte. Leyte is only a dot in the map. The UN provides humanitarian service all throughout the world, regardless of race, color, and belief. It is always there to give humanitarian service unselfishly. The challenge: are we willing to do our share in fulfilling the noble objectives of the United Nations organizations in saving mankind? Thank you. Congratulations.